Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are doing great, fantastic. So today I'm going to explore that how to speak English confidently, fluently without knowing grammar. Yes friends, it is right. It is a tough question like how to speak English without knowing grammar, without knowing anything because it is a language. If you want to start your journey, so you can do it. No need to focus on grammar, no need to anything. Only you have to knowledge like understanding how much strong your understanding power. And if you are able to understand this language, so definitely without knowing grammar you can speak English without anything. So what is resources over there, like how to speak English without knowing grammar. Yes friends, when I was started this journey, so I know all grammar rule, but even I was not able to speak this language. How? Because I didn't practice. That's why. So main perfect reason, main perfect solution over there. If you want to speak English without knowing grammar, so you have to practice. You have to practice only. No need to knowing grammar. So how to practice and what is resources over there, so I would like to all things in a nutshell. And it is a very helpful for you initial days. If you are beginners, please focus this schedule, and you can definitely after you can see your improving after 1 month. Yes. So today is I am going to reveal that how to speak English confidently, fluently without knowing grammar. Yes, friends. So there is only one trick, like how to ask question with ourselves and how to reply this question. Yes, two things is very matter your learning journey. If you don't know what I am speaking and how to speak, where to start. So leave it all things and you can start practice. Yes. So now let's I am going to reveal that, so that how to explore, how to ask question with ourselves and how to reply in a nutshell all things. Okay. So first question is, what is your name? My name is Preeti Prajapati. Where do you live? I live in Greater Noida. What do you do? Okay, if I talk about my personal life, what do I do? So I teach some children nowadays, and apart from that, I'm learning this language as well as I do all chores at my home, and I I can't, I couldn't go anywhere to doing job because my daughter is very tiny. That's why. Okay, next question is, who motivated you? So, if I talk about a person who's motivated me all time, anytime in our journey. So after before married, one is my mother, and the second one is after getting married, my husband. Yes, when I started this journey, so I always demotivated, always keep demotivated because I didn't confidence, I didn't believe it myself. So that's why my husband support me lot of, and he always say, don't give up, don't give up, keep learning, keep watching, keep doing, keep uh, keep trying to do anything, don't give up. It's part of your life. and he always suggests me, it is not difficult for you. You are able to do anything. You capable do anything. So he is person motivated a lot in our life. And next question is, how to live happy in our life. Yes, so I would like to tell you one thing. Happy moment is a very very vital moment in our life. If you not happy, if you don't keep happy in your life, so your life is not good. Yes, no matter how much things do you have, how much uh, things do you have, and you don't have, no, if you will keep, if you want to live happy in our life, so no matter things, no matter anything, you have little bit knowledge, you can say that, like how to how to live happy with our family, with our husband, with our daughter, and don't angry with your parents, don't angry with your family, because your family is a very very supporter for your bad moment. So don't leave it, because my family is good, and there are four members my family, and my husband, including me, my husband, me, and my daughter, and my father-in-law only. So I am happy with my life, there is no any doubt. And pathetic moments so comes and goes, there is no any doubt. And the next question is, like, how to manage all things, because there are lot of women and they have lot of problems, like I faced all things. That's why I would like to say, there I'm going to explore that how to manage all things, because I am not a hi-fi. I'm not living in a hi-fi society. You can say I don't have any luxury life. I don't have anything. Little bit, uh, it's need. So these things I have. So, first of all, I would like to say one thing. What is your basic need? Yes, friends, tell me about what is your basic needs. And if you are basic need, if you have, so definitely you have to live happy. So, I will tell you what is our basic needs, like roti, kapda, or makan. Three things is a basic need our life. And nowadays all things is have, all people have, no need to excuse, like I don't have anything, no, like not luxury type, but you have to normal dress, you have to normal house, you have to normal food, so it is good, it is good. And it is a very very significant role. Even you have to live happy with your family backgrounds. Yes, so if you want to do anything in our life, so doesn't matter how many things I have or not, no, don't compare to others people, like each person has lot of things, like luxury house, luxury uh, car, luxury bike, luxury bicycle, luxury all things. No, no, no. It is not right. Don't see others people. Don't compare to others people. If you have little bit things and you are happy with your life, so definitely it is good. Your life is going good. There is no doubt. So all in all, I would like to say, like be happy, be happy, be always happy, and keep learning, keep watching, and enjoy your life. Enjoy all your life. Don't take so much tension, like I am not doing anything how to do. And first of all, I would like to say, if you are a learner, if you are not learner, if you want to decide you're learning this language, so please listen to me carefully. Don't leave it. You can start this journey because it is a very good journey. If you want to learning this language, if you want to learn this language, so definitely you can start. Don't don't mug up your past life. No, it's let bygones be bygones. You can continue your life and live, eat all things, be happy always. And I would like to say, if you decided to learning this language, so definitely this language will be give you lot of opportunity. Yes, after learning this language, and definitely you can be happy after learning this language. And there is no doubt, no anyone supporter you, and no anyone help you. No, if you want to do anything, so you have to do in yourself. Yes, and it's not a piece of cake, and it's not a rocket science, but only you have to desire will be do. So definitely today is enough. We will meet the next video. Till then, bye bye.